Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The importance of Hajj in Islam is significant. It is considered one of the five pillars of Islam. Hajj commemorates the actions and sacrifice of Prophet Abraham alayhi salam, his wife Bibi Hajra and their son Ismail, symbolizing obedience, trust in God and the concept of self-sacrifice. It reinforces the sense of community as Muslims from all over the world come together to worship and engage in rituals that have been practiced for centuries. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala highlights the importance of Hajj in Quran in various surah and announced to mankind the Hajj. They will come to you on foot and on every sinewy camel. They will come from every deep and distant to perform Hajj. And in Hadith, Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam performed only one Hajj in his life. Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam declared Hajj jihad for women, children, old people and weak. Many hadiths on Hajj explains the importance of Hajj. Ibn Umar said, the Prophet of Allah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, Islam is built upon five pillars, testifying that there is no God but Allah and that Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the messenger of Allah, subsidizing regular prayer, paying zakah, Hajj and fasting Ramadan. Sahih al-Bukhari.